is completely pinless. It's a turban style, and as you can see, I just wrapped it, twisted it, tied it in a knot here, and then I twisted this and wrapped it all the way around my head and tucked it in through here. And then I took the other side and I made it flat. And I wrapped it around and I twisted it through here. This will stay all day. It's just a really simple, easy, fast turban style. Very lightweight and breathable, so it won't get hot. As you can see, I used a lace head cap for air. There's a lot of holes in it. And then I used a breathable cotton fabric that was lightly woven, and you can check the description below for my link. So I'm going to show it to you from behind. See how it's just wrapped around my head and twisted? Beautiful turban style. It will stay all day. And I'm gonna take it apart to show you exactly how I put it together. This is just tucked in right here, see? It was this piece on the side, and I had just made it flat and wrapped it around and tucked it up through here and pulled it down. And then we have this piece, which is tucked into the top right here, because there's a hole. It's just twisted, see that? And it was pulled in through here. So these are just the piece where I tied it together. Right here is the knot. I twisted this piece, wrapped it around my head, and then tucked it in really easily right here in front. Okay? And you can just adjust this piece to smooth it out, and then you just take this piece on the side, tuck it in through here, and pull it down like that. See? No pins. If it bunches up here a little bit, just adjust it. This style might work a little bit better sometimes with a stretchier material. Easy turban style, okay? Easy to take off too, very easy. See how easy that is? And just tied right here in the front, okay? Just tied in a knot and twisted. Okay, like that. See, I just twisted it. I tied it in a knot, like this. Okay, pulled it through, like this. Okay, adjust it where you want it. Twist this piece right here. Really easy, really fast, nice turban style. Wrap it around your head, keep twisting. Super easy, super cute. Tuck it in the front, right here. Take this piece right here on the side, flatten it, or you can twist it. I like it flat. Just turn it this way. You can do it like this. And pull it across, tuck it down through, like this. And just adjust it how you like it. You can keep this part flat or twist it or do like a half twist. And then just pull this around the front. See? Or the back. Like that. Very easy. Very breathable, lightweight, not hot. Okay? It is a great look for summer. It'll keep the hair out of your face and your eyes. Have fun! If you enjoyed this video, please leave me a thumbs up and a comment below and let me know so that I know what to post next time. I really appreciate it, and if you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, You'll get notified next time I put another hijab tutorial. Until next time, bye! Salam.